We are pleased to show you the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm. Come take a test drive today.